Okay. Hi everyone. How are you everyone? That's not even my intro. Ew. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. That's my intro. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and thank you so much for watching. For today's video, welcome. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos. Tengan su asiento aquí. Se pueden sentar aquí, se pueden sentar allá. Hi, welcome to my beauty room tour. A little bit of context. The mic might sound off because I don't have a mic right now. The battery on the mic died. I don't know why we still use batteries, but it's not a rechargeable battery. And it's raining in LA. So I would probably leave my house if it was any other day, but I'm also moving tomorrow. So this room has to be packed up today. Today is the last day that I have to be able to film it in here. So, welcome to my beauty room. Welcome. Okay, so before I give you a tour, let me give you some context, some background story. I always wanted like a beauty room because that's kind of what I saw like other beauty YouTubers having, and I was like, like I always wanted like this kind of like area where I can like beautify myself. Does that make sense? So like an area for my makeup, my clothes. I've always wanted like an exposed closet type of situation. One thing to know is probably don't do this in somewhere that you don't live because I can't take this with me. So, I'm gonna give you a tour of what's already set up before I take it down, which I'm kind of like sad because I'm like, oh my god, like I really like live for it. Oh, I'm also wearing like a back support thing that I bought on Amazon. If y'all want to see another Amazon video, like let me know because I bought a bunch of other nonsense. So, yeah, I have like a back support thing here. Oh, whatever. That's not what this video is about. Okay, so this is gonna be taken down. I'm sad. Like, if I ever buy a house, one room is gonna be dedicated to a walk-in closet. Like, oh my god, I remember back in Houston, I have this friend named Kate, and I was obsessed with her. And this is like when I was first into YouTube, and she was obsessed with YouTube too. And she had like a beauty room where she had like a place where she did her makeup and her vanity, and like this whole room was like a closet. It was like and she had champagne, she had jewelry, she had the center thing. And I'm like,
oh my god, this is such an experience, and I live.
Well, then I would also see like on YouTube, like I love watching a beauty room tour. I love watching house tours. I love watching apartment tours. I'm nosy by all the videos we've experienced together. Me and you are nosy. You know you are. You know I am. That's why you're watching this video, because we're nosy. Look at this. In my next apartment, you guys, this isn't going to be the same setup. It's going to be more like a filming setup already set up at all times so I can just film, and then just a computer on a desk. That's it. That's all that needs. Like this was just like me doing the most just cuz. But it had no structure. Did it make me productive? Absolutely not. Did it make me happy? Absolutely. So, I mean, was it worth it? Yeah. I think it was worth it. It didn't make me productive, but I really do love this room. And y'all have seen it a lot in the background of my videos, and y'all asked me a lot. So finally, today's the last day that I can film it. So I'm gonna go behind the camera now. I love you, come here, give me a hug, give me a hug. I love you. Okay, I'm gonna go behind the camera now. Okay. So when you enter here, I have a door. This is my door. My trash can is right there, right next to the door. It's right there. Okay, so this is where I charge all my camera batteries. Because my door is usually open, so this part is usually covered. And then here is my closet thing. It's a little bit of like everything. Do you see it? Okay, so let's start with this side. I don't know if I'm yelling or if I'm whispering. I don't know. So here, the top one, we have shirts. We have everything organized from short sleeve to long sleeve to collared shirts to short sleeve collared to long sleeve collared. Yeah, you know, this is where my like retail experience comes into effect. And then down here we have sweaters and jackets. So we have like a crew neck moment, a hoodie moment, a zip up, a denim. I love denim. And then we have leather jackets. I love a good leather jacket. And then we have me Ariana Grande big old puffy jacket, which I'm obsessed with. So here we have my pants. These are just random pants that yeah, these are my pants. And then here's where my router is. This is probably the worst place to have a f***ing router. That's probably why I have like the worst internet in the entire world. You have any idea how many times I've kicked this stupid router? Like, oh, I have the worst anger issues. And I always release it on you, you stupid router. Okay. whatever. Here are some jackets. Well, no, these are new things. These are basically new things. Pretty much like things I've only worn like a couple of times. This one though, this black and red one, y'all have seen me in a lot. I should probably take it out of that bio. But these are also things that I'm just like obsessed with at the moment. I want just like separated. I mean, you can look at everything, Gabriel. You act like just separating your hair makes a difference, but whatever. You get what I mean. Okay, so up here, you guys. Here I have like travel bags, like, you know, like bags, kind of like a Zuka bag, just like a bag you like to travel with, like clear bags to travel with. They go in there. This is just a duffel bag that I've had from like Forever 21 for like the longest time. It's like this black fake crocodile. And then here we have like just storage. Ooh, storage. I got them on Amazon. Then I have hats that, bitch, you swear you wear, Gabriel. Like, you swear you wear those fucking hats. Okay, then here we have, let's see, here we have more storage. And then we have bags. Okay, don't judge me. Don't you dare judge me, okay? Just go with the flow of things. If you see it and you don't agree with it, don't say nothing. Or just hold your breath. But I love you though. Kisses. Okay, so here I have beanies. Then we have some backpacks. This backpack I've never worn, but it's like from Forever 21 and I'm just like, isn't it like everything? Okay, and then that blue one is like a Moschino bag that I got from, look, let me show you actually. It's actually really cute. Look at this cute little Moschino bag. I got this from Pretty Vulgar at Coachella. Adorbs. I feel like this part you need a little bit of me, right? So here we have bags. So I got this bag from Lily for my birthday. Yeah, Lily Galici gave me a Gucci bag for my birthday. Come on, Lily Galici! Fucking love her! Oh my god.
Yes, that's actually my real life.
Then we have this cute little backpack. I'm obsessed with it. It's like a little side bag, but it's like a little backpack, but look how tiny it is. Look, it's like the size of my face. And I just like wear like crossbody and it's like, hi, it's a little moment. This one is Alexander Wine, Mr. Wine. This one is a, basically, I just wear it as like a crossbody type of moment and I'm just like really obsessed with it. But to be quite honest, this is literally the bag that I'm always in. This one is by Adidas. I bought it at, I think, Urban Outfitters in New York. I just needed like a quick little like small backpack moment because, okay, the Alexander Wang one is like real cute, right? But sometimes I just need that one bag that I could just like throw around and like it was 90 bucks, I think, which is pricey, but I know it's quality because it's durable but I can like throw it around. Does that make sense? So I need something that's like durable, but like I can just throw around and this one's just black. I don't know, it's like cute and it has like straps. I just always take it with me everywhere. It's just easy and it's black so it goes with everything. And there I have a little piggy bank where I like to save my coins. Let's see, let's go down to this one. Here I have a shrine. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here I have my 100K plaque. Back there I have the American Influencer. I don't know what it was called, but y'all remember that? I tie my bandanas around it. I still really like it, but like I just now got a lot of bandanas, so maybe I should start putting them somewhere else, right? And then here I have my little fragrances. I'm obsessed with fragrance, you guys. Like I really honestly am. These are just a few. I have more like in my bathroom and KKW sends me a lot, so I'm kind of just like obsessed with them. I've gotten quite a few from KKW and I've only really kept the ones that I like and I really did like a lot. I mostly kept the body ones because they're not my favorite one when it comes to fragrance. Like it's not my like go-to, but the bottle is so fucking iconic, like iconic, that I'm just like, absolutely, you deserve to remain on display. And then here I have a candle. This one is by Bath and Body Works. I just personally, I don't know. We'll have to discuss this in my like Amazon video because I buy Yankee candles on Amazon and they last way longer than a Bath and Body Works candle. And like they almost cost the same even when you get it on sale. I'm just saying, somebody could please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, then next we have jewelry. I feel like I showed you this last time. When did I show y'all this? Did I ever show y'all this? Yeah, I did. Remember my Amazon video? Y'all saw all that, whatever. And then here I have 3 drawers. The top one is basically just t-shirts. There you can see my merch. Hi everyone. Oh my God, you can really actually fucking see it. Okay, so there it is. If you haven't seen my merch video, clock it. I was actually gonna wear merch today, you guys, but I couldn't find my Hi Everyone shirt. And I feel like it was God telling me like, okay girl, stop pushing it on them. No, but really, I really cannot find my Hi Everyone shirt. Like, I really don't know where it's at. And then the second one, I have shorts. Down here, I have extra pants. And then this side, it's just shoes. Oh my God, shoes. The bottom is like the messiest because that's where I throw like all my sandals. I guess this is my whole wall. This is my closet wall. Say hi, closet wall. Hi, closet one. Okay, so here we have my sunglass thing. Y'all have seen it from my Amazon video. Here is like, okay, like just don't judge me, okay? I understand that this is a mess. So this couch I got from Living Spaces. I have a duster here because shit always gets dusty. Look, you can tell. Look, I was trying to fix that mic, stupid ass mic. Okay, so I had this couch from Living Spaces, loved it, everything. Then I moved here and then I thought I was gonna need it. I ended up not needing it. I don't know how to get rid of a couch. Like, how do you get rid of a couch?
How exactly does one get rid of a
Couch? Ugh, whatever. Here's my makeup bag. Do you remember my makeup bag video? I still use it and I just keep it like there. But yeah, it's like fun to sit in, but like I need to get rid of it. Then I have this lamp from IKEA. I don't know how to get rid of it. Like, how do you throw these big things away? Can somebody let me know? And then here I have my, oh my God, this is my lit trunk that I keep next to my makeup because it just got hella brushes in it. So if I ever need like an extra brush, I just keep them in here. This is where I do my makeup. So I bought this like long desk from IKEA. So one side is like makeup oriented, the other side is like my officey side. So this is my like makeshift vanity. I just keep beauty blenders in there. And I just keep them up there. So if I ever have to grab a beauty blender, like, I'm in a beauty sponge. And then, oh my God, look, that's me. So I got this from Benefit and that's literally me. And I'm obsessed with it. And then this is my vanity. This is from Impressions Vanity. I'm obsessed with it. It's super bright. Like I'm obsessed with it. Like it's a little pricey, but like if you want like a good vanity, Impressions Vanity. I do have a discount code with them. It is Gabriel. I only have 2 discount codes. That's Lily Lashes and Vanity Impressions. So yeah. I'm obsessed with it. Like, look, I have like all my stuff here. I have all my makeup. So all these drawers are basically makeup. Like the top one is just like makeup wipes. The second one is skincare stuff and like tweezers and like little tools, but like eye cream, face stuff, face mist, and like some hair products. This one right here is basically just makeup. And then like makeup, just like random makeup products. So like these are brushes that I just have like out and about that are like just my go-to grab ones. I have my James Charles palette because it's literally like such a pretty like good staple palette to have. Look at all that foundation. I am such a mess. Okay, here is my little shutter thing, my like clicker, so I can basically take photos of myself. And like, look, I got this thing that holds your phone from at a Fenty Beauty event. And oh my God, do you remember my iPad stand, dude? It's literally the best thing in the entire world. Definitely suggest it. Here's the mic, just taken apart and just like random stuff. Look, you see that little thing right there, that little black one, the little black cube? That one is like my little trash can. It's ideal to have a tiny little trash can when you're up there, especially when you're dealing with like makeup and stuff like that. Keep like a little cube of like a little makeshift trash can. Like if you can't have a trash can like right next to you, and I'm telling you, it'll change your life. Just a suggestion. Then here I have a Sonos speaker. I'm obsessed with Sonos. I have them all throughout my apartment because you can connect it and make it like a whole surround sound system, and like the sound is really good. So, and it connects through your Wi-Fi, so it doesn't connect through your like Bluetooth. So I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. I have it all over and it's enabled with Alexa. Never mind. Love you, bitch. And then I have an iPad. I have this plant. So I love fresh plants. I got this one on Amazon and it's a real plant. And I love her. I do need to switch her pot. I know. But once I like move her into the new apartment, she's gonna have a brand new base and you're gonna get even thicker, girl. And then I have a box from Cartier and it was for like stationery, and then I finally ran out because I kept writing on it and I never sent it to anyone. I like wasted Cartier stationery, whatever. And then now I just keep gift cards in there. Then here's my Mac computer. Shout out to you, Ipsy, for always keeping me stocked on all my technology. Thank you, Ipsy! And then I have just drawers with like office stuff. Okay, so this is this side. A mess, I know. Okay, and then here, see, like this room is just shaped weird. That's the closet, but it doesn't go all the way this way. Like basically, like it cuts off like there. So I'm just like, what's supposed to go here? Like, I don't know. It's like a mess. Maybe it's like a, I don't know, whatever. You know what I mean. I don't even know what I'm talking about, so I don't even know what I mean. That closet's a mess. Box for like giveaway stuff. A dry erase board. I erased a lot of this stuff so y'all wouldn't see it. Do y'all want to still see my BBL Q&A? Let me know. This is my favorite statement. If you have a problem that can be solved with action, then you do not have a problem. Because it's true. It's only a problem if it can't be solved with action. If you can do something about it, then just fix it, right? So I try to always remind myself of that. This is one of my favorite things in the entire world. It's just like different photos from like different times with different friends and different people And yeah, here's the first time I got presented at Generation Beauty with Ipsy. Here are photographs that world-renowned photographer Mike Rosenthal has taken of me. Fun little photo booths moment from different events. These are all photo booth moments right here. Then we have more photo booths here. Me and Kim are just, you know, just hanging out. Hey, Kim. Then we have one from It's Me and Nikita at the Patrick Star event. Then we have Polaroid. More and more Polaroids. Here I have a fake $100 bill with my face on it. These lights generally go just set up here. Like I just push them up against the wall. And the majority of my photos that I just take with a white wall are right here. So I just bring the lights out and then I face them in that direction and then bling. See, it's not even that big. This is exactly how it looks. It looks a mess. It's not pretty, you guys. It's not pretty. Here I have my makeup collection. If you haven't seen my makeup collection video, I'll try to link it above. This plant needs a different pot. No, I know. Here I have makeup. Here I have brushes. And then makeup. Yeah. And here I have, I think that's the Creme Shop makeup melter thing. I'm trying different makeup melters and I've been really liking that one. And yeah, here's my makeup collection. That's it. That's my beauty room tour, you guys. What did we learn today? That I'm a bit of a mess, not gonna lie. But I really love this room. Like, I don't know. It's just like, I love it. Like, it's just fun. Like, it's just like, it's a fun room. So I'm kind of like sad that I'm just gonna like not gonna have this room anymore. Like, it's really hitting me right now. That makes me so sad. I don't know, that makes me sad. Like, I really love this room. I think that's also kind of why I really wanted to do this video because, I don't know, I just want to be able to keep this room as a memory. Like, it's so cute. I live. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any other video suggestions, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you haven't already checked out my merch, I'll definitely link it down below. I do have merch. I don't know, I'm really excited. I'll link down below. And until next time, bye everyone. Okay, bye everyone.